Them say you did when Mohbad Bayi, not just that. They say now you call the nurse when give Mohbad injection where possibly lead to waiting by Mohbad.
Yeah.
But I don't interview the driver. I don't know if you watch the interview.
I watched the interview. Everything with the driver talk now true. Yeah, you can if you know calm down. Say you remember the Frosh in a woman and the Frosh career. Say she go end Mohbad's career like that.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ṣe gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí Spending sọ tó ní Wunmi sọ àbẹ́ ẹ̀ gbọ́. Ó nígbà tí argument ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Wunmi àti Mohbad ó wá ń sọ fún Mohbad pé ṣó rántí pé obìnrin ló end life Lifrosh ipe tóun go bá ṣọ́ra póun ló máa end life Mohbad. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ tẹ̀lé wa ká lọ tí gbọ́ nǹkan kan ọ̀rọ̀ kúnnú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ̀yin gbogbo olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà tẹ́ ń fọkàn bá wa lọ nínú fọ́nrán tá à ń mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín. Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí Spending sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí, ó ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí dráìfà tó gbé Mohbad àti Wunmi ìyẹn àti àdúrà àti Spending àti gbogbo wọn, ó ní dráìfà yóò purọ́ o. Ó ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ pátá ipe kò sí rọ́ńbẹ̀. Ṣe rí Spending tó wá sọ àwọn àṣírí kan nípa Wunmi nínú fọ́nrán yìí àti nípa àdúrà gangan. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ ìrìn àjò ikú Mohbad ṣe rí o. Kódà ó tún sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan nípa Mohbad gangan fún rẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lákòókò. Ẹ wá lọ wo fọ́nrán yìí síwájú sí i torí ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀mọ̀kúnnù fọ́nrán yìí o.
Them say you did when Mohbad Bayi, not just that. They say now you call the nurse when give Mohbad injection where possibly lead to waiting by Mohbad. Now, I get a lot of questions for you Spending because they say now you call the nurse. Before somebody go call nurse, it means say something don't happen to somebody for inside that place. So make it say, okay, you know waiting, call nurse. I really dey curious waiting happen. Now, they say you also follow and go shoot.
Yeah.
But I don't interview the driver. I don't know if you watch the interview.
I watched the interview. Everything with the driver talk now true. I think I just start from the driver part because the driver they talk for the interview say Yoruba like that. So from the show, so as Mohbad perform finish, Prime Boy dey inside car with us, everybody. So Mohbad come tell wetin comes up firstly wetin happen. So Mohbad tell Prime Boy say make he call Adura come inside the other Prime say make it come. Say maybe they won't collect money for all this woodlands. Say make them share money, give them. So Mohbad come tell Adura, tell Prime Boy say make it go the other car, make it call Adura come. Adura no come answer. So be like say Adura disrespect her. So Prime Boy come back say come tell Mohbad say omo Adura no answer me. You see as Adura do to me say omo my brother, my junior brother no fit do this thing to you. Say something. Mohbad come tell am say yeah no vex. We don't reach house. We go settle am. We don't leave already now. Say we come out already. See something like that. So later, Mohbad come tell say I won't come out for here like this. Waiting the swap now. What's causing the delay? I need to leave. Like I want to go to my house like this. I'm tired. I'm something. So Mohbad come tell say I won't come down. Everybody dey inside car. They tell am say bro, you know if you come down, people there will be celebrity. Just shoot now. Say people go. We dey here. Say people will go follow them talk. Say they will collect money. Say you come be like say see why I can't send money to the driver or something. I don't remember. How much they send, they give all these boys they disturb. So Mohbad come later say you won't come down. My prime boy come pull out say I'm a bro, you be celebrity now. I be big boy, you know if the come down, scatter everywhere. Like so you gonna say bro, what's dey happen now? She make they pull out for him matter saying the talk. So I can't tell him say make they tell Mohbad say make Mohbad calm down. Say you know if you come down now. Now this place is public place. You know if you come down, they make it chill. Say we go come out. Say they go sort them. Say everybody go come out. You want to say no. Say I won't come down. You want the Mohbad going say Prime Boy tell him say make it chill. So as Prime Boy Mohbad going the old Prime Boy, he time say make you know the put mouth for him matter. Make you know the
hit Prime Boy.
Give him blow. Say make you know put mouth for him matter. Make you know they talk anything. So Prime will know it. I know I talk am same thing for my statement, everything. As I go for now in question, I wait till I talk say Prime will know it and I'm glad. Now they eat am. I don't feel like. Now they give am blow, If say do like
Prime Boy cover his face.
Cover his face, do like this. Say I'm bad now because of saying you. I know if you touch you. I know if you do this. I know if you do that. So you get now. So later, Mohbad can't come down. Mohbad the force.
But wait, but they talk say Prime Boy follow and fight.
No follow and fight.
say na him break glass. But anyway, just continue.
No, my private no carry hand at all. Now Mohbad just dey punch am, dey give am blow.
Okay.
So Mohbad just dey try, dey open the door, dey force the door, say he wan open door. Driver tell am say make he calm down, say make he no come down. Say something, make he no come down, make he come down. You come vex, say make driver make he shut up. Say wetin concern am, say something. So na that time he come down. So e come be like say private self come down that time because me na back I dey. Because we don dey move, say you don dey ready, say we don dey comot. So you get, so as you come down like this, oh, I no go know wetin happen. Mohbad come down, prime boy, you come dey blow prime boy. You know say me na back my day. I just dey gba for the back, the Prado glass. Because they wear in cartier, watch dey hand that time. So I just dey gba, I just dey say wetin happen. Say I just see glass break. Na that time prime boy comot for there, he run. So as he run comot, be like say them Adura, all the people wey dey, but everybody dey in the other car, they see say wetin happen. Say prime boy dey follow Mohbad fight or something like that. They come pursue am, say they wan go beat am, say something. But me, I no follow them. I dey inside car. I no follow them at all. So now wetin happen? You see prime boy no dey.
So now, as una come back house now, more go to when una come back house.
Okay.
Why you say make them call nurse? Wetin lead to calling of nurse?
Yeah, from the show, you know Mohbad eat his hand, like
For
he eat the glass. So his hand don like get tears for here. You see, no much like that. And just small, but e don dey bleed already.
Okay.
Blood don dey everywhere, don dey in close sef. You see, as we from that show, blood don dey bleed already. You see, okay, person wey dey no bleed, e don dey bleed. See why you see dey follow am dey drag. Say okay, she no be in power. Say because he don dey, because God don answer am. Say he don blow like this. Say he and prime boy say they start together. Say you no suppose dey treat prime boy like that. Say,
okay, so Mohbad wife dey tell side prime boy.
Mohbad come tell am say omo shey no dey my own side, shey na prime boy side go dey. So Mohbad come tell say why say make she come down too. She dey mad, something like that. Everybody tell am say make he calm down. That wish everybody dey inside car. They tell am say make he calm down. God just say no, say no. So as later as we wan comot, see why I come drop Liam. Like drop Liam for chair like this. You see that time don't lock Mohbad for clothes. Yes now, don't lock Mohbad for clothes. You don't even forget Liam for chair. Let me carry Liam. I carry him. You see, let me day back. I carry him for around like this. So they're going to lock themselves. They're going to talk a lot of things. Say Mohbad, see what I tell Mohbad, say Mama borrow her money, maybe 250k or 500k or something. Say Mohbad no return now. Say the line. Mohbad come tell am say you know how many times I don't borrow your mama money. You all are broke ass niggas. Your family, they broke, say something, say borrow money, say na scope go, and mama go give am scope, say they go return her. She go return money, she no go return her. So a lot of things. So Mohbad come talk say, yeah now, if you know calm down, say you remember the Lifro, she na woman and Lifro's career, say she go end Mohbad's career like that. And Lifro's career, she talk am for the corona, everything where they talk like this.
ẹ̀yin ọmọ nàìjíríà ṣe ti wá rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti ń lójú tu bọ̀ báyìí. ẹ̀gbọ́n tí spending sọ ó ní Wùmí sọ pé nígbà tó àti Mohbad jọjọ ní argument níjọ́ náà táwọn ń bọ̀ láti Kòròdú, ó ní Wùmí sọ pé sóòmẹ́ pé obìnrin ló ẹ̀ǹdì láìfù Lifros, wípé tí Mohbad gan ò bá sọ́ra pòun ló ẹ̀ǹdì láìfù ẹ̀, sọ wá ẹ̀ǹdì ẹ̀ àbí kò ẹ̀ǹdì ẹ̀ bá wa kà. tẹ́ ẹ bá wo fọ́nrán yìí débi tá a tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ tá a tún ti ní ká sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fọ́nrán yìí kí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kó lè yé gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ nàìjíríà. Spending sọ̀rọ̀ kan nípa ìwà tí Wùmí wù sí ìyẹn Mohbad àti ìwà tí Mohbad gan wù gan sí ìyẹn ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ tó wù sí ìyẹn prime boy àti ìwà tí àdúrà tó náà wù sí Mohbad. ṣé ń bá wa ká lọ ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa àṣírí bí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ṣe rí gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Gbogbo ohun tó ṣókùnkùn sáráyé gbogbo rẹ̀ náà ni fọ́nrán yìí tàn mọ́lẹ̀ sí o, torí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan tó wà níwájú fọ́nrán yìí tí Spending sọ nípa Wùmí, ní tí Wùmí ṣe sí Mohbad àti ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan tó fa okùnfà kú Mohbad, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́gbọ̀nù fọ́nrán yìí. ẹ wo ẹ má gbàgbé pórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà lẹ́wà, ẹ ṣí ẹ̀ fọ́nrán yìí kó kan ọmọdé kó kan àgbà kó kan ọkùnrin kó kan obìnrin kan náà lè jàǹfààní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bó ṣe ń lọ. ẹ wo ẹ má tó jẹun gbà ń lákòókò ẹ tún wà lọ gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí síwájú sí i orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà lẹ́wà.
Mohbad come talk say I go return the money wey dey talk say im mama borrow me, say maybe 50k, say im go return am, say make you no worry, say we dey go. He ask me that for that Sunday, ask me, you know say me I dey back, say friend, you know what, you know say we dey go Yankee this December. Then I have 4 states I'm going, and I worth more than 400k USD. Like from that December, if I get back, so it's done for you. Now wetin dey tell,
it's done for her and her family.
So I don talk say wetin do am, say this fame, say na God do am for am, say if you no calm down, say you remember Lifro, say na woman end Lifro's career, say she go end Mohbad's career like that. Lifro's career, she talk am for the corona, everything wey I dey talk like this. Dey my
talk am for corona
inquest, everything. So as we come up for the show, you know say they don dey argue, so normal. So me like this, and I me carry Liam, I don't even off my clothes. So we don dey go island. As we dey turn around, you know say breeze dey enter. I off my clothes like this. I use cover Liam. I carry am like this. You
use your clothes cover Liam. Nice,
bro.
Nice.
Mohbad is my nigga now, so anything for him. I off my clothes. So as we reach Oshid Island like this, see why say she won't come down. Say she won't lodge for hotel. Say she no want follow us go out. Say Mohbad don threat, don dey disturb am since you know the year was. Say Mohbad just dey talk different things. Say she no dey go out. That Osha when everybody don beg am say we wan carry 4 months baby
again. They go hotel.
She make she enter now. Say we don already reach house now. Now Oshid junction be this. Say we go reach house very soon. Say something. So as we reach house, see why she dey vex. She vex go up. Now me still dey carry baby. As I carry baby like this for staircase, I just drop baby for her like this. And na midnight, everybody don tire. Say no. I just drop baby for am. See they go up. Everybody don dey down. See na the living room I crash. Maybe say I don't even tire. Maybe I no chop that day safe. Maybe say as I come out for house, we go show. We no do anything, just dey drink. I don't tire. So see the next day, we Mo come
on Monday.
On Monday, Mo came downstairs.
Okay, so you see Mohbad on Monday.
On Monday I saw him.
By what time?
Around 11 a.m. in the morning.
Around 11 you see Mohbad.
He came downstairs.
Nice.
He came from up. Came downstairs. He was like spending. Hope I no follow you drag anything yesterday. See, no verse. Na that NS. I don't shy you, but I no verse, my brother. I say, Mohbad, why they talk like that? Say I no feel verse. Me and you deal now. Say one love. Say I deal with you. Okay. You can't say Prime Boy. Say Prime Boy will call him Papa. Say now so that they do. Say they go set one. Say
Prime Boy.
Yeah, Prime Boy. Say Prime Boy now with the boy. Say, no, me and Prime Boy I never hang out with Prime Boy before. Like the first time, see me and Mohbad just call him for phone. I always see her. They follow and talk. I know Sabi Prime Boy before. This is my first time again out to see
for that show.
So we can't talk. Say I don't know Prime Boy. I just hear his name. Say Prime Boy. Because Mohbad they send in songs. Only this song for my phone. I just mention Prime Boy for this. He always talk. Say I like Prime Boy. I like Prime Boy. So he say na my nigga. So that Monday, he come down. Say I spent half she like this. And we get another show on Thursday. We will go. You know, say that's Sunday we get that show.
Yes.
Because say another show day on Thursday. She like this. We go look in and Jan don't swell up. People say he don't swear. And a small cut too. Small cut. Now why I dey confused say cut people say that Sunday happen. Say what's gonna happen? People say don't
come big
like this. I want to like feel bad for him. Say I'm bad. And so I don't even like do anything about it. She was still dragging with him despite the injury. So she was still dragging, talking to herself. So later, when Mo left and went back upstairs, okay, when Mo came downstairs, like he asked me if I have someone that can treat him. I told him that you know, see me, I know they sick like that. I know they go hospital. I don't even remember when I go hospital last. Make me go hospital now. That Monday, in the morning around 11, say I want to make me go hospital. You can't talk say I no go anywhere. Say I don't go hospital. Person will treat me. But now they find. Say okay. I can't message that nurse. I can't message the nurse that same Monday. You know deliver. I don't say if there's no day online for WhatsApp. Now only one.
Only one mark.
So no for like an hour, no mark 2. So as no say as nobody don't come meet me say she I get person. Me and Bami. Because I can't look see here. Make we find alternative. Say make we come out for house. Make we find person who fit treat her. Me and Bami come out for house. After Mohbad came downstairs. So it's that as he came downstairs, he showed me this video, me video. Say na papaya I want to do the video for the video. They asked me, it makes sense, make use papaya. Nothing to am. Like now only the hand. That's why they follow me talk, where they open phone for me that Monday like this. I see him live like this, nothing to am. Say just show me say yeah, she make you use papaya do the video or something. I say yeah, it makes sense. Papaya said my fine again. Say dope, say sharp. Yeah, just go back upstairs. After I go back upstairs, now and Bami come out, see we find person if he come out. You get one pharmacy wey dey that Oshi Road. Before pharmacy we went there. They say they know they come out until now. They don't do home service. You go to the other place.
You and Mohbad or you and somebody?
Me and Bami, DJ Bami.
DJ Bami, okay.
Na me and now. So as we come out, we reach the second pharmacy. The lady we did there say, they know the home service. Say if you carry Mohbad come, make it do inside car.
They know they go treat them.
They go attend to am inside their compound. Say make we just reach house back. Tell Mohbad, man say no. Say but I know they go anywhere. Say as you don't buy spirits and country board we. Bami clean am. So Bami they treat am for up. I don't go up at all. Now since that night I don't drop baby for that staircase.
You don't go up.
I don't see Mohbad again. Since that
after that afternoon.
That afternoon. Wait, say that morning where he come.
Yes,
Say he come meet me. So so I don't drop baby Liam. As I don't drop, I don't see Mohbad again at all.
You see the wife?
I don't see the wife. I don't see the wife at all. I don't see the wife. So later we don't reach out. I would tell Mohbad say all this pharmacy, they say they no fit come. We say everything go up like this. Now Bami go up to go follow am talk because I know say am again after that time. So later around maybe 3 o'clock, I can't come up for this because I dey wait say this girl reply, make reply. I don't time. I
no reply.
I never bath. I never since that Sunday I no bath. I no chop. Okay, Sunday, Monday. I no bath. I no do anything. I just come up for there. As I reach house, now in the nurse reply me say, she just the Nigeria like she dey come back from Cotonou. She dey school like this. She no fit meet up again. Everything dey my I go show you. I go send you everything. So that Monday, no say na later she reply me and I no did there. That Monday when she replied. So we don't try a number for Bami phone. That vibe come up for that.
Bami, DJ Bami, the other guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Adura too. I don't give them the numbers. Make we try am. Since the message don't deliver, so I say make you try am. Call it all switch off. So I don't come up for that. I don't look or say maybe they go find another person.
Well, we just do am. And you know things say na serious thing.
And a small thing. I don't even think say go fast. Say now they go sort themselves now. Say since my own nurse no fit show up again. So now the next day like this, that Tuesday they just call me say Mohbad. Say okay, man, the nurse call me. No, I don't drop. Bami call me on Tuesday morning. They call me because I no quick wake up that I don't tire. So now around that 11 I wake. I can't reply. Hey, Bami no vex. I just wake up now. And the nurse number be this. I send them the number because they call me. I don't see him miss call say they won't collect the nurse number. I don't say I just type out for your phone that.
Yeah, so you know really you know save
number.
Okay,
so
okay.
So the next day, like from my house, like they on top bed. Say I send the number, give them. You know, reach like maybe 3 hours or something. Then when they call me, say they rush me back to the hospital. Say something. I know
how many who be them? Who you to say did that house?
People where I live for house that Monday where I come out for house. Adura,
okay.
DJ Bami,
okay.
OG,
okay.
Ade West.
Okay.
That's people I left there because lifestyle. Okay, that same Sunday when we got back on the show.
Okay, so Mohbad wife no dey house.
No, she dey out like people where I live for house.
Okay, people where I live for downstairs. She dey up. Okay.
Now all people dey downstairs now. So Darosha left that same Sunday when we reach.
No, you no talk about Darosha because you don't know when he or you see how when he come out.
Yeah, I see how
he come out before you.
Before me, that Sunday as we reach from that Sunday as we come up, we go back from that shoot. Now he don't.
Okay, so he no follow now enter house.
He enter house. As he enter house.
Immediately come out. Okay, go on then.
So
go on then.
Later, I can't see the driver outside. Me and Bami, we spoke the driver that night. Say make she dey go now. Say we go press money. Say you don't know about me.
Okay, so that means now una come meet the driver that time.
No, that night.
Yeah.
As we that midnight, as we reach house, I tell am say make we dey go. We tell am say make we dey go in house. Say make we dey go. Say we go press money for him.
For the glass.
For the glass later in the morning. Say no, don't wake up. Something like that. Say instead of see everything as it happen for there. Say now say make it good now. Say na bad. I know if you run now. Say you go do the money. Okay, you know driver not gonna talk anything. We not gonna see driver even there like there around till the next day. He no go at all. Now morning I come later see the driver say this man never go. Something like that. As the driver, I hear the interview with the driver talk say maybe 3 people come meet town for midnight.
But you don't know.
I don't know the 3 people. Maybe I don't sleep that time. I don't know.
Okay, so according to the driver says 3 people come meet town midnight. Yeah. So maybe you don't sleep. You don't notice they try to rush am.
We go meet town. Now later in the afternoon, me and Bami go Oshido.
So basically, as you come out, you're seeing you don't know anything again.
I don't drop number. I don't know the clothes where the nurse wear except that Tuesday.
So why they can't lock you?
I don't know. They say maybe Nana send me or Sam Larry say they will do investigation. Say if they don't do investigation, they will leave me. Say they don't see.
How long you there for sale?
I did 4 months, bro. Now 4 months I did. Say I don't see anybody. I don't see any immunization.
So wait. These people where they inside this house, like Adura, Mohbad brother, Mohbad wife. Why they know, like Adura and Mohbad wife now, they get upper hand for the family. Why none of them come talk say, this guy, he did with us, so see what happen. You now, wait till you feel say he killed that boy.
Bro. And I did like that hand. I talk her for court to say this hand where they see no be killer. Say this thing a small minor thing. Which I know even the reason say this thing be hot time or something. I mean like this me and Mohbad we done the since 2018 and we done the rough farm together. We travel, we do everything. I know feel hot time. I know get anything.
Again, I get question to ask you. Be very, very honest.
Yeah.
Mohbad they take things. What thing they take?
Yeah, no, now they take these laughing gas, this balloon. I already tell them, me I know they like all this type of violence. Me I know they not only loud them out, they smoke sometimes. You see,
yeah.
But Mohbad they do all this laughing gas, all this stuff.
And they do alcohol, where?
Yeah, we drink now. If you go show, we go drink.
You fit to say Mohbad a heavy drinker, I mean a low drinker.
No, it's not like the drink like that. But now mood, if you day mood, say you want drink, go drink. Say you want shut down. Say yeah, now I just want day to day.
But how often they laughing gas? How often they take them every time?
Day, yeah.
Every
that
day.
One every day. Because me, I even tell them say I don't like this designers really do. Say bro, any small thing, go tell them say tell them, but I say make they go buy that laughing gas. Any small, I don't. And that laughing gas they very expensive. Like that time in the band 200k, 300k. Bro, I swear to God, I really
for laughing gas.
Yes, now that time from 100k. They turn out to 150 say because they say they don't buy them back to back. Say they come, say they don't buy them. So they buy them every time.
You feel I don't know this question. I'm not supposed. The wife they take laughing gas.
No.
What about alcohol?
I'm not sure. Sometimes.
She did smoke?
No, I don't know about that.
You don't know about the smoking.
I don't know about it.
But you know about
drink.
alcohol.
Okay.
Now, from that video, when they go bury Mohbad, you did it that day?
Yeah, I did it.
I look at face. Yeah. Her face swell up.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
Now, you say you come out early, so I no fit ask you whether they fight.
Yeah.
So make I just leave her there with that.
Yeah.
Because you know they. So I will just quickly leave that one there. Understand? Anyways.
I know be me call the nurse, I just give them number. I don't know anything. I know call nurse, I don't Mohbad come meet me. No be say I voluntarily say I mean one say na person.
No, even if you commit or you commit and your guy,
nah,
you tell me so yeah, I understand. But you are convinced that saying no behind.
No be this hand, bro.
Because what's the worst thing that can come from that? It's
just normal court now. Normal court.
And that driver said the court no big at all.
No big. I see him now. I did. I know did the.
Okay.
I see everything. So as I see Mohbad that Tuesday for hospital, say he don't die lifeless, he life like I just see. Look, see, person when I follow talk on Monday like this, everything happen. Nobody will tell me anything. So now later we shall come up for there. So we reach out like, oh my nigga say now everything happen with this. So say because my brother before we go to that show, my brother don't tell me say he dream about me, say they shoot me, say make I no come out, make I no go, make I no do birthday, make I no do any party, anything concerning the party. But now Mohbad, now my guy, I don't know if he
So your brother don't give you signs, say bad thing they come, but you not agree here.
Yes, now I really don't play about them, but I don't tell about anything. Say anything.
You just go support.
Sometimes you say yes, now sometimes you say they tell me say make I do something. I go do them. Say instead of saying I'm Mohbad, say make I do something. Say
sadaka
sacrifice. I go do them for him. Say no man, say na my nigga now. And I no say they pay me or something. They support ourselves. If they support at the same money, they give me money. So no be say something say I get paid or. Something now now true love. I just get to. So I have no reason to hurt him, and I don't do anything. They lock me up for 4 months. For 4 months like I did there. I don't do anything. Like my name, they don't spell my name.
And nobody click on to say standing a correct guy.
Say they know say see why I talk her for interview where she do where I see for TVC or something. She know how close I am to Mohbad, but you don't know maybe they send the nurse. She na me call the nurse. You don't know. You don't know, say maybe they send the nurse or something.
You know, say I will understand why they go on because now the nurse where you suggest.
Yeah.
So you know go really say no be you call the nurse as well because you suggested the nurse. Yeah. So I will understand why. But you know, from the way you sound now, you don't get bad intention. You just say your guy wound, you just call somebody, come and treat my guy, you know. Now, I will need to hear from that nurse, and I really wish it's Victor. But anyways, you get some things so I will still ask you another time. Me, I just want to know what happened for that house. Yeah. So apparently, you now, you don't give me what you know, I will find another person. Yeah. Anyways, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. We'll talk.
Bí mo ṣe wọlé ló yẹ kí n yín o gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà níbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ mi àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí ètò yìí àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó ní kinní kan bí aago báyìí táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní notification bell tó wà lábẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí tá a mú wá ẹ tẹ notification bell yín ẹ tẹ aago òun kẹ́ on notification bell yín sílẹ̀ kẹ́yìn náà lè bá a mọ jàǹfààní bá a bá tó ṣe é mú fúnra wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé ẹ wo ibi tá a fi àdàgbà ètò yìí sọlẹ̀ sí lónìí rè bó bá tó ṣe ń lọ o àtúmọ̀ mú wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn àdúrà mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni pé àní bọ́ sọ́wọ́ ẹni bí láyé o ire lójú owó rí ire lójú ọ̀la rí ire lójú gbogbo wa ọmọ rí o ire o ó dìgbà.